Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce to you is how to record the bank charges by using banking spend money instead of doing it under the receive payment or the purchase pay bill. That one we'll talk about in another topic, but today I'm going to introduce to you is using the spend money to record these bank charges as a standalone transaction. So how to record it? Just go to banking, spend money. You can create the bank as a card file, maybe OCBC Bank, UOB Bank. If not, actually you can just simply key inside the payee bank charges, maybe dash OCBC, and key in the transaction number and how much, maybe it's $20, and the memo here you can put maybe it's bank charges for TT blah 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 blah, blah transfer. Okay, this memo will appear in your general ledger report. Okay, will appear in your general ledger report. So what is the account? Okay, bank charges account. Okay, so after that, if this is for any project, you still can tag with the project. If not, just record done. That's all about how to record the bank charges in your spend money. Thank you.